Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix if Temu app is not working, not opening on your Android phone. It may be lagging, freezing. So how to fix this issue? So let's start it. Open setting. Click more settings. Open app manager. Here is the apps that is installed on my mobile. So find Temu and open. Click storage. Click clear cache and clear data. After that, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, Temu app is working properly on your Android phone. If still it is not working, then uninstall the app and go to the Play Store and install latest version of this app. So this is how you can solve your problem if Temu app is not working, not opening on your Android phone. Thanks for watching.